folks, it's me again. I got one, maybe two more videos to make. Because I'm cool, that's why. Yeah, right. Maybe I'm a pain in the ass, but I picked these up. This is another Harbor Freight video, in case you're wondering. In case you didn't read the title and I didn't title it right, or it uploaded and the title got deleted. This is a Harbor Freight video, because YouTube does that sometimes. I go there and I'm like, where the hell's my thumbnail? I upload it with a thumbnail. It showed up with no thumbnail. Well, anyway, I picked up a Pittsburgh Pro. What is this? 3/8 drive. Wait, did I buy the right one? I don't know. Hold on. 3/8 drive thing. How do you get this out of here? How do you get it out? This is stupid. The hell do you got to do here? Oh, anyway, it's a 3/8 drive. What did I say? 10-piece deep wall color coded socket set. My only question is it's color coded. Does anybody remember which color? I mean, I'm sure after a while I'll remember which color these are for. But the only important one here is the purple 10mm socket, because apparently we lose all those. Let me try to cut this open, because I don't think I have a freaking tool on this bench to cut open. Let me check. Choppy, where are you? Nope, no cutting tool in there. Really? What kind of shitty video is this? I don't even have a cutting tool. Holy hell. Let's go get a tool to cut this open. Snap-on electric. Okay, let's see. I gotta find me a Snap-on truck. I used to like buying tools off them, especially shit I don't need. Now I gotta go to Harbor. Now poor. Gotta go Harbor Freight. Give me no credit. Ugh. Gotta join a club too. Just kidding. Let's see. This down here like so. Some lighting. Look at that. Now I think if we cut this off here, it might work. I don't know. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Let's come up. How the hell does this thing work? How did they do this? Oh, wait, this comes off here. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. That one's off there. Okay, we can get all these off. Slide. There we go. Is this the anti-theft? Watch, somebody's gonna tell me, oh, you could have used it to hold them all. Probably. I don't know. Yeah, maybe, yeah. I don't know. Let's just cut this off here. What a pain in the ass. What a pain in the ass. I rarely ever use the holders anyway, so. Plus I have another one. Let's see. Yeah, there's a green one. Put a stupid thing inside it. What the hell? Get this out of here. Yeah, look at that. There's one. There's two. 3, 4, 5. There we go. I gotta take this shit off here. I want to come off. Okay, that one came off. Is there something I don't know about here? Is there anybody out there in cyberspace that knows how to get this shit off here? What the hell? Let's see. Oh. Weird. So if you cut the little nubby thing off here, it comes out easier, see? Oh yeah, look at that. If I cut this little snobby thing off here, it just tends to pop right off. This comes out. Well, who knew, huh? Little snobby wobby thing. Now I know. Next time I buy, maybe ever. There we go. See that little bimpity bump right here? A little, is that it? Oh, right here. See a little nub right inside there? Yeah, that go snip. Comes right out. See? Flies out just like a booger on steroids. There we go. It comes out. How come that doesn't have one? The first two. Well, seeing as I don't know anything about sockets, the only real important one is, where is it? 10 millimeter. Why did I buy this? There's a bike over there that has metric threads on it. So, I have to admit though, it's pretty cool with the colors. There's a silver one, fancy green one, whatever the hell color this is, psychedelic green, your standard tooth chrome, a purple one. Stare at it. Tell me what color you see. Is it pink? Yeah, shut the hell up. There's a black one. Does it look black or is it fluorescent black? Come on. This one's gold. Cash that one at the pawn shop. Get some gold. This is blue. Is this blue or is it blue? Red. They should have made it fire engine red. Actually, it looks like one of those little flashlights. Anyway, that's what I got. All these suckers. So, if you like ratchets, want a cheap set, I don't remember how much I paid for them, but they're, they are what they are. See? Ta-da! They're different colors, all of them. I don't have baby fingers, so maybe I can, let's see, put that one on there, that one on there, that one on there, that one on there, and maybe that one will stay. Oh, is this one bigger? Ta-da! There we go. Just got my nails done. They're all in 3/8 ratchets. Whoa! Anyway, a little bit of nail glue. We all set. Yeah, I needed an extra set because I didn't feel like digging through bags and stuff this way. Well, I sat there and looked at it. I'm like, you know what? I'm always looking for this one, so at least now I can visually go, oh yeah. Unless I become colorblind, then I'll have to grind a pattern in it and then figure out which one. All jokes aside, they're just cheap ratchets. It's a win-win for anybody that wants cheap ratchets. I'm pretty sure if I don't torque them at 10,000 pounds per square inch, they'll probably do the job. And I think that's it for the whole thing here. They were Pittsburgh Pro S anti-metric lifetime warranty. Color coded for quick sized chrome vanadium steel construction. 6-point. It comes with an axe. Okay. Or a tomahawk. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like my channel. Thanks for watching.